In this video walkthrough, we show you how to deliver with Amazon Restaurants when driving on the Amazon Flex system. What's up guys, your driver Mike here, back with another video. This channel is dedicated to the rideshare space, so if you're a driver, a passenger, or someone just interested in the rideshare space, consider subscribing. When driving with Amazon Flex, you have the option to accept Amazon Restaurant deliveries. Amazon Restaurants is similar to other food delivery services like Grubhub, Postmates, and DoorDash. Within the Amazon Flex app, you can mark available immediately to instantly start receiving delivery requests. If you receive an instant block offer for an Amazon Restaurant delivery, simply swipe to accept. Note, you may receive other types of delivery requests, such as delivering packages or Amazon Fresh, which is grocery delivery. You can also check upcoming offers to look for available blocks for later in the day. Once you receive your Amazon Restaurant delivery, Amazon will show you the starting and ending destination for the delivery. You can mark Start Travel on the app to open Amazon's GPS to take you to the pickup destination. Once arriving at the restaurant, mark I've arrived and enter the restaurant. Not only will you be given the items on the order, but you'll be given the customer's name as well. Verify this with the restaurant. Hello, I'm with Amazon Restaurants. I have a pickup for Robert. Once you received the items from the restaurant, mark Complete and then start travel to the customer's destination. Before leaving for the customer's destination, look for any delivery notes such as gate codes or any other specific delivery instructions. Once arriving at the customer's destination, mark I've arrived and deliver product to the customer's address. Note, Amazon gives you several options for who you've delivered the product to, such as the actual recipient, a relative, door person, concierge, etc. Once you finish the delivery, you can mark it as complete within the Amazon app and continue to your next pickup destination. Amazon Flex pays a flat $18 per hour and is a great way to earn some extra money if you're interested in delivery. Your driver Mike here. I do appreciate you watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to join your driver team, and I will see you in the next one.